Hi, I'm Mark Smith, Master Certified Technician with Lazydays RV. So we're going to start a series on holding tanks. And in this series, we're going to talk about fresh tanks, gray tanks, black tanks, and their proper maintenance, proper use, and storage. So come along with us, watch this series of videos, and let's see what more we can learn. So we're going to start the series with freshwater tank. Freshwater tank is fairly simple to keep clean. Not a lot of maintenance as long as you're doing what you're supposed to as far as the usage of the freshwater tank. So the number one thing is storage. When you store the freshwater tank, when you store your RV, travel trailer, fifth wheel, whatever it is, you always want to drain your freshwater tank. You want that to dry out on the inside, because any liquid left inside of it is going to create algae. Whether it's fresh gray or black, algae grows in water. So if you drain the tank out, that's going to eliminate most of your problems. If not, there's ways of cleaning that tank. So this is the maintenance side of it. On the maintenance side, if you happen to leave water in there for 3 months, 6 months, you get some really bad smelling water in these. First thing you're going to do is you're going to drain the freshwater tank. All freshwater tanks at some point have drains. Maybe right out here in the open, might be underneath your beds, according to which RV side we're working on. So you're going to drain your freshwater tank completely. After that, you're going to close the drain. We're going to add fresh water back to it. Then there's several ways you can go for cleaning that tank. One of the most common ways is bleach. Getting bleach into the tank can be simple as the manual fill, which we're going to look at on the other side. The second way is a little more difficult, is to use your fill hose, whether it's a real or a regular hose, and actually pour the bleach inside the hose. Once you get a cup full, half a quart maybe of bleach, you hook it back to your water outlet. You push the bleach inside of the tank. Once that bleach is inside, you want to make sure that everything else gets clean too. So we're going to go inside, we're going to use our fresh water pump, and we're going to use the water pump to push that bleached water throughout the rest of the system. So you're going to go from faucet to faucet, run water through everything, and most especially the water heater. The water heater really gets smelly inside. So you're going to make sure to run plenty of water through that, let the bleach get inside, kill all that algae out. Normally, at least a couple hours, probably best to just leave that set overnight. The next day, you're going to come back, you're going to drain your fresh water tank again, then you're going to fill it back up with fresh water, run through everything again, especially that water heater, and get all that all washed out. Once you've done that, you want to make sure that you keep a good supply of water filters. You're going to change those every time you go on a new trip, especially if it's been a couple months. Again, algae can grow in that. And if you just kind of keep up with these small things, it'll create a better atmosphere. You don't want that smelly water in there anyways. So if you have any more questions, you have any problems, just give us a call or come down and see us here at Lazydays RV.